Good morning. It's your favorite realtor, Realtor Michael B from MVP Realty. I'm out here at one of our newest listings about to go live this weekend. This is located in Sail Harbor. Let me flip this camera around here. Located in Sail Harbor, right near Health Park, close to Fort Myers Beach and Sanibel. This is a 2-2 with a 2.5 bath. You got a half bath downstairs and 2 full bathrooms upstairs. It's right about 1,750 square foot. Everything's been completely remodeled or redone almost 2 years ago. The clients are seasonal, so this home has hardly been lived in, as you can see. Beautiful wainscoting, nice deep trade ceilings all throughout the property, even in the front foyer here. All the appliances are brand new, hardly even used. Soft close cabinetry, beautiful mosaic backsplash. Check it out. Woo! It's the finer things in life that get us all happy. So this is downstairs here. Now this particular unit, whenever it was done, the kitchen has been completely changed. They bumped this out. They've actually moved that wall out a little bit further. So this unit is a lot different than most of the other units you will see in here. It won't have this giant bar area here. This is the half bath here. It is a 1-car garage. Trade ceiling in the foyer here. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Go check that out now. You have the master right here. 2 French doors that open up into the master. Again, trade ceiling in here. 2 walk-in closets. Have one over here. Have another over here. Beautiful plush carpeting again, all fresh, new. Padding is still great, hardly used. Master bathroom. Go in here to the guest bedroom. You have the air handling unit in there, storage in here. You have the laundry room right here. Extra storage closet here. Guest bedroom here. Nice large executive closet. This condo needs absolutely nothing besides you and ready to move in. Again, this is a 2-2, 2.5 bath, located right behind the health park, close to Fort Myers Beach. HOAs are 7, I believe they're 49 quarterly. So very affordable HOAs. They have a really good reserve here. Very well managed, a very quiet neighborhood. You got a pond across the street there. Nice paver walkway, driveway up here. Community is very quiet. So if you have any questions or want to check out this condo before it goes live, give me a call, 239-789-6867. We will be listed on the market right at $200,000. Again, this is a gorgeous condo. Needs absolutely nothing.